How do you install Geberit FlowFit pipework? Geberit FlowFit is designed to optimize water flow while making installation quicker, easier and more efficient. It's commonly used for potable water systems and heating installations, with a big benefit being, unlike traditional press fit systems, FlowFit fittings can be rotated to be pressed from any angle, making it easier to work in tight spaces. To start your FlowFit installation, you will need FlowFit pipe, a FlowFit fitting, FlowFit pressing jaw, and a compatible pressing tool. Fully insert a cut and deburred pipe into the fitting. You can see it's fully fitted through the inspection windows. Place the FlowFit pressing jaw onto the pressing tool. Open the jaw and position it over the blue pressing indicator on the fitting. Press the connection. The pressing indicator will fall off once fully pressed. Then open the jaw to release the connection. For fittings and pipes over 50mm, the system requires different tools. These larger sizes are helpfully identified by the orange colour coding. For this, you will need FlowFit pressing jaw Model 2 and the Geberit pressing tool XL+. First, fully insert the pipe into the fitting. Press the tool, pull, twist and release the locking pin so the rollers settle into the correct position for the jaw. Then place the jaw into the pressing tool. Position the jaw over the orange pressing indicator on the fitting. Press the connection. The pressing indicator will fall off once fully pressed. That's it. The larger FlowFit fitting has now been securely pressed. That is how you use Geberit FlowFit press fit fittings. If you're looking for a pipe system that's simple to install and built for professional applications, visit pipestock.com.